Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019 on a 19 plate Vauxhall Corsa SE Navigation. This is the 1.4 petrol with an automatic gearbox and 5 doors, finished in Persian blue metallic, and it's covered just 9,000 miles. So have a good walk around this extremely low mileage automatic Corsa, very high spec Corsa as well. April 2019 registered, 2 former keepers, less than 9,500 miles. Excellent service history. We've got 5 stamps in the book. Excuse me. It's a service right the way through its life. Really good condition as you'd expect. We've got these nice 16-inch silver alloy wheels. Obviously got that lovely blue colour. £190 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age. Low insurance group, just group 7. 40 miles to the gallon as well on that little 1.4 with the fully automatic gearbox. 5-door practicality, and like I say, this is the SE Navigation, so it's loaded with specification. You've got the alloy wheels, you've got the metallic colour, remote central locking, and it does come supplied with 2 remote keys. It's got front and rear parking sensors. So we have a look inside. All the seats in really good shape as you'd expect, as is the steering wheel, as are the door cards. Electric front windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors, automatic lights. There's your 2 keys. Up onto the steering wheel itself you've got controls for your Bluetooth and radio, and then you've got your cruise control with speed limiter, manual handbrake, so none of that horrible electric handbrake nonsense. There's your automatic gearbox. You've got some storage down below, along with a USB 12-volt socket. Just up above you've got your air conditioning. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks, and then across to your infotainment, so we'll start that up. So, as you can see, we've got heated front seats, we've got heated steering wheel, we've got city steering, which makes the steering go very soft, and that's your controls to the parking sensors as well. 9,338 miles, so really very, very low mileage. And then back across to your touchscreen, you've got satellite navigation. Knows where we are, which is good. You've got Bluetooth for your telephone, and you've got DAB digital radio as well. So really, really nice setup. Into the rear, again nice and tidy. 2 headrests, but with 3 proper seat belts, and of course the ISOFIX for child seats as well. So comfortable 5-seater. Plenty of headroom in there. And then round to the boot space. Parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then good sized boot space. Really usable. And underneath you've got your, I will show you, you've got your compressor. There is room for a spare if that was the way you wanted to go. So there we have it. Quite a rare thing actually. April 2019 on a 19 plate Vauxhall Corsa SE Navigation, 1.4 petrol with the automatic gearbox, and just 9,000 miles with a full service history. Finance is available from less than £250 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory, free MOT, 2 keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty, and we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Cracking example. Hard to find these automatics with such a high spec, and of course very low mileage, so I'm sure it's going to be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.